Hey guys, welcome to yet another episode of the Shosha podcast. My name is Abhijit Bhatt. With me is Shweta Rashmi. और आज हम एक नहीं, दो नहीं, तीन नहीं, बल्कि 4 फिल्मों के बारे में बात करने वाले हैं. जी हाँ, बनारस का फेमस है पान. And let's talk about अजीब दास्तान. So, let's begin. Alright, so Ajeeb Dastans is basically 4 Dastans by 4 different directors. First पे है we have Majnu by Shashank Khaitan of Badrinath की दुल्हनिया and हम्टी शर्मा की दुल्हनिया fame. इसके स्टार हैं फातिमा सना शेख and जयदीप अहलावत. सेकंड नंबर पे है we have खिलौना by राज मेहता जिसमें स्टारिंग है अभिषेक बैनर्जी, नुसरत भरूचा and इनायत वर्मा जो लूडो के बाद अपना सेकंड अपीयरेंस दे रही हैं. गीली पुच्ची बाय नीरज हेवन जो कि इस पूरी एंथोलॉजी की सबसे लंबी फिल्म है जिसमें स्टार कर रही हैं कोकना सेन शर्मा एंड अदिति राव हैदरी. एंड वी हैव अनकही बाय कयोजे ईरानी. आई होप आई एम प्रोनाउंसिंग द नेम राइट बिकॉज ही हैपेंस टू बी द सन ऑफ बमन ईरानी. और इसके स्टार हैं शिफाली शाह एंड मानव कौल. सो 4 फिल्में, 4 डायरेक्टर्स, बहुत सारे टैलेंटेड एक्टर्स. और लेते हैं पहला इंप्रेशन. लेडीज फर्स्ट. सो श्वेता, प्लीज टेल मी कैसी लगी आपको ये दास्तान्स?
Okay, so I love anthologies, and it's just always very interesting to see कि how these 4 completely different directors जिनका हर चीज पे take बहुत अलग होता है, how they collaborate on something, which is again like it's very different. They don't really collaborate on one a particular film, but these short stories that they all bring together under one umbrella, it's always very interesting. Ajeeb Dastans again, filled with amazing performances, like you rightly said. I always was interested in seeing it. I think I liked out of the 4 films that you mentioned, I liked all of them, but I think I loved one in particular, which was Majnu. I enjoyed it thoroughly. The rest we will get to, but Majnu, and I think you forgot to mention Armand Alan's name, who's also a very important part in the film Majnu. So yeah, I think I did enjoy Majnu the most out of all the films.
हमें कोई डिफेक्ट है, हम किसी डॉक्टर को दिखाएं. तुम्हें अपनी सच को मान लेना होगा, तभी खुश रह पाओगी.
Ironically, Majnu happens to be my least favorite in the entire series. पता नहीं क्यों, but this entire anthology felt like imagine करिए कि आप कोई डिश बना रहे हैं और डिश में बहुत सारे बढ़िया इंग्रेडिएंट्स हैं सब कुछ, लेकिन वो पूरी डिश अंडरकुक्ड है. So that was my analysis of this entire anthology. Like ये फिल्म could have achieved a lot of greatness thanks to the bunch of talented actors that it has and also the talented directors behind the camera. But कहीं ना कहीं यार मुझे बहुत ही underdeveloped सी लगी है कई मायनों में. Majnu, especially because I felt a certain element of the film was lifted directly from Shawshank Redemption, which happens to be the case with a lot of other movies. मतलब उन सबके प्लॉट देख के मुझे ऐसे ही लगा कि हाँ यार मैंने कहीं देखे हैं ये प्लॉट ट्विस्ट वगैरह. But it doesn't take away from the fact that yes, a lot of people might enjoy it because actors इतने कमाल के हैं इसमें. But so what according to you works? Let's talk about the positives first. So what according to you works for this entire anthology?
Definitely the performances. They stand out. I think हर फिल्म में ऐसी कोई ना कोई performance है जिसकी वजह से I wanted to watch the film, which just kept me going. Majnu, of course, Jaydeep Ahlawat, I think the name is enough. You know, that is one thing which I just knew it's going to be a good film because of Jaydeep Ahlawat, no matter what the story was. So yes, that is also one of the very big reasons why I really wanted to watch the film and I was excited. So yes, Majnu for that reason. Also, I think apart from that, Khilona जिसमें नुसरत और इनायत है, the two of them are, I don't know, it's just I love their bond also. I love Inayat's acting. She's just so dramebaz, you know, and you see that in the film.
Yeah.
Ankahi mein there's Shefali Shah's performance always, you know how amazing the amazing actor that she is. Geeli Pucci, Konkona Sen Sharma, like I remember you and I spoke about how amazing Konkona Sen Sharma is in the film, and I did realize it after watching Geeli Pucci, which is the name of their film. So yeah, I think ये 4 चीजें थी which I really enjoyed. Apart from that, अगर मजनू की बात करें जिस पे मेरा दिल आ चुका है पूरी तरह से, apart from the fact that I just love these kind of stories. Okay, I mean, you can talk about how it's not possible, how it's just inspired by something, blah. I don't care. I am just watching it for the entity that it is. And I loved, there's also a song in the film which is there. एक छोटे से हर फिल्म में एक गाना है, like a small song. इसमें भी एक गाना है. I don't know. Bhavra wala, right?
Yeah, that is very well written. I think it's written by Varun Grover, if I'm not wrong.
I love that song. I love the entire vibe. I love the video. मुझे नहीं पता, मुझे इस फिल्म के बारे में सब कुछ बहुत अच्छा लगा. Like I just enjoyed it. This is like my first thought after watching Majnu at least. The rest of the films, yes, Khilona is like dark. It's freaking dark. So I enjoyed that as well. I think the also a very good thing about the first two stories was that trailer में ये कहा जाता है कि you will never see these twists coming. So twists मुझे ज्यादातर इन दोनों फिल्मों में दिखे. So I think this is why I like Majnu and Khilona a lot more than what I felt about Geeli Pucci and Ankahi.
I don't have time to learn the sign language.
Sign language is her only language, Ron.
See, my only problem with this film was कि unlike the trailer, what the trailer promised, I could see the twists coming. And I don't want to sound like this cinephile who's taking a moral high ground, but अगर आपने थोड़ा बहुत world cinema देखा and you've seen anthologies, like for example, there's a very nice anthology, Wild Tales करके Argentinian film है वो. And उसमें आप बोल सकते हैं कि हाँ, the twists were absolutely surprising. You couldn't see that coming. So when you see movies of that level, उसके बाद when you see this, you just feel like that okay, they are attempting to make something, but it's nowhere quite near to what you had expected कि हाँ ये होगा. So that was my problem with the film series. Performances wise, बिल्कुल कोई शिकायत नहीं. Performance wise, I think it was impeccable. This entire series, सबने performance बहुत अच्छी दी है. Special mention to of course Inayat Verma. I mean that girl is amazing. She's phenomenal. Yeah. And I see a lot of Fatima Sana Sheikh ka bachpan in her. You know, like how she used to act in Chachi 420. I see a lot of Inayat Verma in that. Yeah. So, I mean, she has great potential. Apart from that, Nusrat ka I became a fan because usse pehle, I will be honest, I wasn't a big fan of Nusrat. But इस film को देखने के बाद, I was like, okay, she has acted really well in this film. तो ये था, like you said, if you are in for some nice entertainment, so this film is for you.
I also want to talk about a couple of things which I think which seemed a little off to me. I mean, for example, I did not really like Fatima's performance. Like when you just mentioned her name, it just struck me. I just thought that it's a role that ऐसे कुछ roles होते हैं, like we spoke about this. Like there are a couple of roles which you feel that nobody could have pulled this off. Like you can just see this one actor portraying it. This seemed like a role that possibly a lot of other actors could have also, performed it and done like a pretty good job at it. So that is one thing जो कि मुझे थोड़ी ठीक नहीं लगी. Also, Geeli Pucci and Ankahi, like you said, कि twists and like you just see these things coming. In दोनों films में तो कुछ था ही नहीं. It was just plain like a plain story. You don't see any thrill. You don't see anything like that. Like you ट्रेलर से देख के पता चल जाता है कि कहानी क्या है. सो फॉर दीज टू फिल्म्स एट लीस्ट आई थिंक जिस ऑर्डर में फिल्म है ना, जिस ऑर्डर में ये फिल्म है इस पूरी एंथोलॉजी में, आई थिंक दैट इज द ऑर्डर इन हाउ आई लाइक द फिल्म्स. सो यस, मजनू डज कम सबसे आगे. आई एम जस्ट रीविंग अबाउट इट बिकॉज आई जेन्युइनली लव इट. बट बाकी की दो फिल्में मेरे को पता नहीं डिसअपॉइंटिंग लगी थोड़ी. मतलब मुझे ऐसा लगा कि अजीब दास्तान का जो एक title है, like it has to be like weird and like just twists, and trailer के बाद especially I was expecting a lot of that, but then उस aspect में I did get a little disappointed of.
आप किसको दिखा रहे हैं? आप किसको दिखा रहे हैं?
बाकी ambience wise no problem, cinematography wise no problem, ठीक है, सब कुछ एंगल परफॉर्मेंस वगैरह सब सही. बट हाँ, स्टोरीज कहीं ना कहीं वो पंच लैक कर रही है इसमें, ऐसा मेरा एनालिसिस था. बट देन सिनेमा इज वेरी सब्जेक्टिव, सो आई थिंक अगर मुझे पसंद नहीं है तो जरूरी नहीं कि आपको पसंद नहीं आएगी. आई मीन आप अपना देख के एनालिसिस देखें और फिर अपना एनालिसिस हमें बताएं, और कमेंट सेक्शन में ये भी बताएं कि कौन सी स्टोरी आपको अच्छी लगी, कौन सी स्टोरी आपको नहीं जमी, और क्या शिकायत और क्या पसंद आया आपको इस फिल्म से, वो सब हमें बताएं. वी वुड बी मोर देन हैप्पी टू हियर इट फ्रॉम यू गाइज. सो अजीब दास्तान हैज फाइनली रिलीज्ड ऑन नेटफ्लिक्स. ये था हमारा एनालिसिस रिगार्डिंग द फिल्म. आप जाइए, इसे देखिए और अपना रिव्यू हमें बताइए. We are all ears. And if there's any other film / video / any other stuff that you would want us to review, we are here to review. So till then, we shall see you soon with yet another review. And till then, please take care and stay safe. This is Team Shosha saying bye-bye.